Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to transfer your Bitcoin from Venmo to an external wallet. So once you're on Venmo, what you're going to do is come to the bottom and click on the crypto. Next is select the Bitcoin, and then down here in the very bottom right corner, you want to click on the two arrows next to buy. So right here, if you've never transferred Bitcoin on Venmo before, they're going to be asking you for some information about yourself. So after that, you just have to click on continue, and it just asked me for my name, social security number, and address. And now once you have filled in the information that you need to, you will be taken to this page right here, and you want to click on the send. So next, here at the very top, you want to go ahead and paste in the BTC address that you want to send. So that's Bitcoin. So you just have to make sure that the address that you're sending it to is the exactly right, or else you won't be able to recover your Bitcoin once you've sent it to the wrong address. Now, once you select your address, you're going to be asked to scan your face and scan a photo ID to verify your identity. And then you'll be taken to this page right here where you can select the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send. Now, one thing to keep in mind is, let's say I want to send $1 and then click on review transfer. It won't let me transfer it because I need to send a certain amount of Bitcoin. So this is what will happen to you if you try to transfer it to an external wallet. But if you just want to send it to another Venmo account, then I think you can send it you can send as little as you want. Now once you enter the amount you just want to send that you want to send, you just have to click on review, transfer, and send that Bitcoin. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!